Bicolandia, muli po tayo nagbabalik para sa ating pangatlong laro ngayong Sunday. It's the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds at nakakasama niyo po ako. I am Christina Alfonso Reyes para maghatid po sa inyo ng maaaksyong laban dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. And of course, mapapanood din po tayo ng live sa ating mga Facebook pages, sa ating Oragon Sports TV 1, Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV. And of course po, sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para mapanood po ang bakbakang Ateneo and UNC na talaga namang kaabang-abang dahil magandang laban po ang kanilang ipapakita ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya abangan natin, will it be the Ateneo Golden Knights or the UNC Greyhounds na uuwi po ng kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, makakasama din po natin ang ating mga courtside reporters all the way from the side of the Ateneo. We have Veronica as well as IC on the side of the UNC Greyhounds na maghahati po sa atin ng aksyon and of course update po sa loob at labas ng hardcourt. And in just a few minutes, we will start this big matchup of the Ateneo and the UNC Greyhounds. Ayan nga po. Maraming salamat din sa lahat na nag-aantabay at naghihintay na ng pakbakan nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, both teams talagang gustong makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito. And for our seniors division, talaga namang lahat palaban, lahat gustong manalo. And to see ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights at ang ating UNC Greyhounds may dalawa na pong panalo at 4 na talo. Kaya ano kaya yung magiging preparation nila para sa larong ito? And to hear an update, andyan si IC. Hi IC, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Tina. 2 teams, 1 city, and a game that will leave everyone talking. This is the moment. Ala Bicolandia, it's your very demure and very cutesy courtside reporter, IC Cortez, and we are now once again live via Bucal Facebook page and 1 Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Welcome to Bucal Season 6 Senior Basketball Division. Today, we have the much anticipated Naga Clasico, the UNC Greyhounds going head-to-head with their longtime rivals, the Ateneo Golden Knights. This isn't just any game, it's a battle for pride and dominance in the heart of Naga. Both teams are known for their intense rivalry, and every time they meet on the court, it's a showdown like no other. Expect a fast-paced action, thrilling plays, and incredible energy from the fans as the Greyhounds and Golden Knights fight for their bragging rights in the classic matchup. Stay tuned for all the exciting updates as we bring you every key moment of the game. That's it on the side of the Greyhounds. Balik sa'yo, Tin.
Thank you so much, IC. Ayan nga, Manila or Naga Clasico po ang ating mapapanood ngayong hapon na ito. The Ateneo Golden Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds. At talagang preparado din itong ating UNC Greyhounds para makipagtapatan sa kanilang rival team ngayong hapon na ito. Pero pag-usapan naman natin itong Ateneo Golden Knights na nasa spot 1 po ng ating Division 1 dito sa ating Seniors Division na merong 4 na panalo at 1 talo. Napakaganda ng kanilang standing ngayon dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Kaya ngayong hapon na ito, titinan natin kung ano nga ba ang inihanda ng Ateneo Golden Knights para malaman niya. Tanungin natin si Veronica. Hi Veronica, anong update natin dyan?
Good day, Bucal fans. I'm Veronica Nakar, your courtside reporter, and we're here live at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. We're about to kick off one of the most anticipated games of Bucal Season 6, the second round of the Naga El Clasico. This is between the Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. The Golden Knights come into this match with an impressive 4-1 standing in Division 1, while the Greyhounds are ready to fight for redemption after their round. Both teams have prepared hard, and today's games is sure bringing you a high-intensity action. You're watching this live on 1 Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Stay tuned as we bring you courtside updates on what is sure to be a brilliant game. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Veronica. Ayan nga, parehong kupunan ay handang-handa ngayong hapon na ito para sa ating laban which is the UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And of course, bago ang lahat, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors na talaga namang sumusuporta sa atin ngayong hapon na ito. We have the Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF INC, digital graphics. We have our Bucal sponsors, the Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo and Sons Trading, and Industries Incorporated. At in just a few minutes, we will start this matchup. Kaya abang-abang po tayo. And of course, marami din ang nakaabang sa atin dito sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Kaya isa-shoutout po natin maya-maya lamang po. And of course, dagdagan pa natin itong ating laro ngayong hapon na ito dahil nga kanina napakaganda yung mga napanood natin. Ngayon naman, itong ating Ateneo and the UNC talaga namang kaabang-abang yung magiging laban nila ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya naman abangan po natin ang magandang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito as we are now ready to give you a good fight this afternoon. At handa na nga po itong ating dalawang kupunan at kikilalanin na natin ang first five para dito sa UNC and the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Classico. This is the battle of the rings. The Ateneo Golden Knights and the University of Buenos Aires for the non-66 and National Senior Section. Introducing first the starting five of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, this is the starting lineup of the UNC Greyhounds. Now we have jersey number 88, Mark Evan Valera. Jersey number 11, John Brian Galo. Jersey number 27, Kevin Taugan. Jersey number 17, Nico Andre Caronan. At jersey number 15, Victor Sam Sarmiento. Ateneo Golden Knights, jersey number 27, Nico John Jacob. Jersey number 23, Robert Remoto. Jersey number 16, Oscar Beltran. Jersey number 55, Solomon Arellano. And jersey number 7, Samuel Madridano. Now, magaganda yung laro na ipinapakita nitong kada players ng both teams. And now, we will start this Naga Classico. Two of the biggest team dito sa Naga City. At talagang sabi nga kanina, inaabangan kapag naglalaro itong ating UNC and Ateneo. Now let's see. For the first ball possession, UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 27 now. Passes to Valera. Early defense here. Caronan. Punches for three. First basket. Three-pointer mula kay Caronan. Napakagandang simula para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see what will be the answer of the Golden Knights here. Jersey number 16, Beltran. The pass to Arellano. 10 seconds on the shot clock here. On the outside. Titira ng tres. Coming from Jacob. Now, we are seeing here a tight defense and a great offense from these both teams. Now, Valera, step back, moving inside, lays up, that's good. Maganda yung simula para dito sa ating UNC and Ateneo. This is a tight matchup. Another three-pointer coming from the Ateneo, courtesy of Beltran. Now we're seeing here the head-to-head matchup between their teams. Now a whistle down here. Pero balikan lang natin yung sunod-sunod na tres para dito sa side ng Ateneo. And of course, the UNC Greyhounds hindi din papatalo dyan. Caronan again with the ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock now. Loses it. Ateneo on the run. Arellano punches in again. Ateneo having their momentum now on the first quarter. Now Valera Pass to jersey number 11, Calo. Back to Valera. Block here. Arellano gets that ball. Nagmamadali dito ang Ateneo. Now will be a turnover for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 8-5. An early matchup on the offense. Now jersey number 27, Taugan. Jersey number 15 now on the inside. Defensive rebound. Valera for 3. That's good. Now we're seeing both teams here na napakaganda nung ipinapakita nila dito. Now they need to tighten their defense. Arellano with the ball. Passes on the outside. Now jersey number 7 have been guarded here. There will be was a foul. Jersey number 7 now, Madridano on the free throw line for 2 shots there. And we are tied on 8-all dito sa ating first quarter. No good on that first attempt. Now let's see if they can take on the lead here. 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Pero maagang nagpakitang gilas itong ating dalawang koponan. Now all they need is consistency all throughout this matchup up until the fourth quarter. A 1-point lead ang hawak dito ng ating mga Golden Knights. Now Coronel. Jersey number 11 now, Carlo. 10 seconds to shoot. Long two, no good. Now Ateneo on the offense. On the inside, no good. Valera without rebound. That's on the inside, but still from the Ateneo side. No good on that attempt. Jersey number 23 without that rebound. Whistle foul. Jersey number 27, Jacob will be on the free throw line for 2 shots there. We are seeing good dynamics between the players of the Ateneo as well as the UNC Greyhounds. Now Jacob on his second free throw. That's good, adjusting the lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights by 3. Now Valera, what will be the answer of the UNC Greyhounds as we are now halfway through our first quarter? Valera. And a whistle foul. Valera now on the free throw line. 11-8, making it 9 points from the UNC Greyhounds. With that, gusto lang din nating batiin na si Dave Gianan, Chen Shira Nicolas, Kyla Casulia, at kay Ursa Daniel Angeles. Nanonood po sa atin ngayong hapon na ito. Happy watching po sa inyong lahat. And sana mag-enjoy po kayo dito sa ating laban ng Ateneo and UNC now. Beltran, secure that ball. Arellano going inside, pass it. Still from the side of the UNC. Now a 3-pointer coming from Batiansala. Hindi baga papatalo itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Sagot kung sagot. Opensa kung opensa. Now let's see as the Ateneo now on the offense. Jersey number 23 passes to jersey number 27 Jacob. 7 seconds to shoot here. Beltran to Arellano. Napakaganda nun. Arellano. Sala, pass to Coronat. 14 seconds to shoot here. Valera. Heavily guarded, going inside. Yalitano yung malalaking tore. A defensive rebound. Valera again with the ball. Jersey number 15, too short for that one. But a second chance point here. Coronado was there. Save that ball, then make a point. Now let's see as the Ateneo. Foul. 13-15 on our scoreboard. Now Mark Andrew Valera will be in for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Fulcar, second free throw. Or Beltran, rather. Now Mark Andrew, passes here to Legaspi for three, no good. But an offensive rebound, Legaspi again. Passes to Caronan, in and out ball. Lost opportunity here for the UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see, as the Ateneo. Another whistle foul there. Tawagan nga ng foul dito si Batiancela. Now Madritano on the free throw line. Chance here to tie the game. That's good. The first attempt. Well, let's see. With a chance to tie the game here. Madritano, no good. Now UNC on the offense. Sala, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Coronat. Now to Mark Andrew. Shot back down to 7. What will the UNC do? Coronat going inside, spinning. Taking that point. Hindi ka na mawala doon sa Ateneo. After that sequence, you stay on the side of the Golden Knights. The Bucal checks in for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. As well as Soriao on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Contribute here for their respective teams. Now to Bucal to inbound. Passes to jersey number 14, Monay. That's an easy two coming from Bongala. Sa puntos ang hawak ng kalamangan dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Batiancela. Passes to Mark Andrew. Quick three here. No good. Ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Fulcar and Marco. Loob na ngayon ng court. Now, tries again for three. No good for the UNC. Sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Ayan, marami na pong nanonood sa atin. Kaya shoutout kay Marlon Nyes, Marla Janine, kay Ian Monte, Simon Ornido, at kay Carla May Calieja. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-andabay. Now, Tripolka. good. You're again deadlock on 17. Now, let's see. What will be the gameplay here of the UNC Greyhounds? Batian Sala. There was a foul there. Batian Sala on the free throw line here. Penalty na nga itong ating UNC Greyhounds. First basket is good. Now let's see. On that second attempt. Ito nga ang ating dalawang kupunan na ito. They're fighting for their win here this afternoon. Ateneo number 1 sa ating Division 1. While on the other side, the UNC Greyhounds gustong makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Now, minutes and 28 seconds remaining here. Bucal again on the free throw line. No good. One more time here for Tripulka. That's good. Margando nagmamadali dito. The pass is here to Batian Sala. 12 seconds to shoot. No good. Magna now. Now they're taking their time here. Jersey number 14. Pass is here to Magno. But stepping on the line there. Now UNC's basketball. Mark Andrew. Nice foul. Ball possession here of the UNC Greyhounds. Sala passes now to Mark Andrew. Mark Andrew, di diretso sa loob. Medyo nahinto tayo dito sa ating scoring sa first quarter. Now that's a basket count with a foul. Now a quick replay on that. It's the Ateneo's basketball. Jersey number 21. Bongala. Naipasok pa yan. And now a bonus free throw was given to him. No good. Pero a second chance point here. Bongala making an effort there. 22-19. Will be on the side of the Ateneo. Now, let's see. As Mark Andrew change of momentum here. Ateneo now on the lead. Pero sinagot naman agad yan ni Mark Andrew, having that 2 points. Now Plaza, pass to Fulca. Diretso dito, double team. Ganun mula. Plaza on the corner for 3. In and out ball. Offensive rebound. That will be a turnover here. Karunan sa inbound. Last 45 seconds of the first quarter. Robert Yansela. Plaza, natawagan siya ng foul. Both teams are now on the penalty. Kinsella first free throw was good. Tying the game by 22 all. Kinsella. 2-on-2. Now with the remaining time of 36 seconds, let's see. Plaza passes now to Fulgar. Fulgar di diretso. On the free throw line for 2 shots. First basket is good. Two on two para dito kay Fulgar. Sala. That's that 2-point now. Last 12 seconds of the first quarter. Tripulka. Tries for 3. That's good. Making it the 2-point lead here of the Ateneo. That's the end of our fielded first quarter. 27-25 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. We'll be back for more actions. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back for the second quarter of this matchup of the UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Doon nga po sa ating first quarter, maagang pagpula ng mga 3 puntos para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. At nakuha nga po ng ating Neo Golden Knights yung 2 puntos na kalamangan ngayon. And now, let's see dito sa ating second quarter. What will be the changes on both teams dahil pareho ang napakaganda ng opensa. And ano yung gagawin nilang depensa or gameplay para ma-secure nila yung kalamangan nila dito sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter. But an early foul was whistled here sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter. Now, Batyansala on the free throw line for 2 shots there. Na doon sa side ng ating Neo Golden Knights, talaga nga naging maganda yung combination itong ating mga players. Lahat talaga gumagalaw, lahat nag-contribute dito. And let's see kung magiging consistent ito up until the last quarter of the game. While on the other side, itong ating UNC Greyhounds, Batyansala was there, Caronan was there, Valera Brothers was there to really give their all here for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, it's the UNC's basketball. Caronan passes here to Mark Evan. Jersey number 27 for a 2 points here. No Ateneo on the offense. Plaza loses it. That will be a turnover. Beltran and Arellano together with Jacob back on the court here for the side of the Golden Knights. Batyansala uupo muna dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, but still a great contribution during the first quarter of the game. Now Mark Evan passes to Coronan. 29-28. Isang puntos lamang hinahabol dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Mark Evan now. Passing through here. Grabe yung batay niya, Beltran. With that height difference. Pero still, nagawa ng paraan dito ni Mark Evan. Now, jersey number 27, Jacob. Beltran was there to save that. Miscommunication here. Now, yung Ateneo dito sa ating first quarter, talaga namang napakaganda nung ipinakita nila. Yung mga 3-pointers as well as the offense against the UNC Greyhounds. Talagang they double their effort this afternoon. Dahil nga itong UNC Greyhounds, yung kanilang mga kalaban. And to hear an update all the way from the side of the Golden Knights, let's hear it to Veronica. Veronica, update natin dyan.
We're now deep into the second quarter, and what a battle it's been so far. The Ateneo Golden Knights are playing with incredible energy, pushing the pace and facing turnovers. But the UNC Greyhounds are right there with them, keeping the score tight. Both teams are giving it their all, with every possession feeling more intense than the last. It's still anyone's game as we head into the halftime. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Veronica. Hindi nga tama nga yung sinabi ni Veronica dito na talaga ang very tight yung laban ng UNC at ng Ateneo. Walang kumakawala dito sa laban na ito. And palitan lang din ng puntos yung ating nagagawa. Kung kaya hindi pa natin alam, hindi pa natin ma-determine kung sino nga ba dito sa ating dalawang koponan ang makakauwi ng panalo. Pero ready din ang UNC Greyhounds para ilaban yan hanggang dulo. And to hear an update, andyan si IC. Hi IC, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Dean. It is a close start for the Greyhounds and the Golden Knights. At sa side nga ng Greyhounds, makikita natin na umpisa pa lamang ay gigil na sila makuha ang first quarter. As per Coach Miggy, they're setting up for some strong dribble drive action. He also added that every second counts and they need to keep the tempo fast and aggressive. They've switched to a full-court man-to-man defense, applying pressure to every player from baseline to baseline, making sure that no one gets an easy pass. Offensively, they've been working hard on setting screens to open up better passing lanes and create space for the shooters. Let's see if they can keep up the intensity and make the most of these key strategies. Stay tuned for more updates. Balik sa'yo, Tin.
Thank you so much, RC. Ayan talagang binigyan ng doon dito ni Coach Mickey yung mga kailangan nilang strategies or defensive style na kailangan nilang gawin to really secure a point here. And also yung kahit dito sa mga shooters, bibigyan nila ng space to really have this good offense. Now let's see if they can really do that here on our second quarter. Arellano getting that point for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, grabe pa lang natin kanina, palitan ng puntos dito. But now, it's a 1-point lead coming from the side of the Golden Knights. Mark Evan releases a 3, no good. Now, Ateneo on the offense. Beltran having that easy too. With that, a timeout was called from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 6 minutes and 16 seconds remaining here. 35-32, and with that, 3 puntos na yung naiakyat dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Napakaganda nung pagsisimula ng ating second quarter with that great offense of both sides as well as yung depensa. Talagang hindi nila hinahayaan na makapasok itong kada kupunan. But still, nagagawa ng paraan to really gather a point here. And with that, we give thanks to our sponsors, Naga College Foundation, Lamang Residences, KD Sportswear Apparel, NCF V Gallery and Museum, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, AP Pawn Shop, Havianas and Goins, Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. And of course, sa ating mga live viewers, sa ating Bucal Facebook pages, sa ating mga nanonood dito sa ating Oragon Sports TV at One Media TV 48 Naga. Shoutout kay Renz Don, kay Joyce Soriawa, kay KD Reynancia at kay Carla Gil Bernido Martires. Maraming salamat po. And of course, kay Carla May Caliehan na nanonood sa atin ng live ngayong hapon na ito with this matchup of the Ateneo and the UNC Greyhounds. Now, we are back on the ballgame with 3-point lead coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 6 minutes and 16 seconds remaining on our first half. Now, napakabilis lang po ng oras. Pero mabilis din nakakuha nito UNC and Ateneo yung mga puntos with that great offense. Now, let's see as we continue this. Now, Ateneo on the offense. It was a foul here. Now, let's see after the timeout. Now the UNC Greyhounds, will there be a changes on their game plan here? Domingo now on the free throw line for 2 shots. Time to extend their lead here against the Greyhounds. Domingo, first basket was good. Domingo for his second free throw. That's good. With that, naitaas sa 5 puntos ng kalamangan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Hindi kailangan or hindi dapat magpakampante dito yung ating Ateneo, knowing UNC Greyhounds will do something spectacular after this 5-point lead. Now let's see, is Mark Evan here. Heavily guarded, pushing inside, no good. It's the UNC's basketball. Now, 14 seconds to shoot for the side of the UNC. Jersey number 11 now. Carlo. Passes to Mark Evan. A whistle foul. Now 3 3 seconds remaining on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see, how can they manage to have a play here with just 14 seconds, back to 14 seconds. Now, Legaspi past the jersey number 27. No good on that one. Napaaga ngayon yung mga foul dito ng UNC Greyhounds. They are now on the penalty. Beltran securing that ball, pass to Arellano for 3. No good. Carlo loses it, but it will stay on their side here. 17 seconds to shoot. Still 37-32. Passes on the outside here kay Taugan. Taugan to Legaspi. UNC, what will they do now? Carlo for 3. Medyo nahihirapan ngayon sa offensive side itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, Ateneo, Arellano heavily guarded here. Pushing inside. That's good. Arellano giving his all para dito sa side ng Golden Knights. Now let's see what will be the answer of the UNC Greyhounds. And with that, Mark Evan releases a 3-pointer. Pero tatawagan ng offensive foul dito si Domingo. Now, Taugan to Mark Evan. Now let's see what will the Greyhounds do. Napakaaga pa para dito sa ating second quarter. Both teams are now on the penalty. Jersey number 14. That's good. Now Ateneo, defensive side, Arellano, long 3, no good. Defensive rebound here by Fulgar. Passes here. Ipasok pa yan ni Beltran dito. Mark Evan. Passes to the corner for 3. No good. Ateneo, nagmamadali dito. No good on that one. Now they need to make sure of the ball here. Legaspi, no good. But still an offensive rebound. Double team na dito. Para sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Passes on the corner. Moving inside. First basket was good para dito kay Fulgar. 42-36. A 6-point lead here. Chance to make it 7. No good. Now UNC. Matiansala. Passes to jersey number 15 back to Matiansala. Shot clock down to 10. Calo. Calo again. No good on that three-pointer. Fulgar secure that ball. Back to Fulgar. Another point for the Ateneo. Matiansala. Jersey number 15, Sarmiento, on the free throw line here. 44-36. Naitaas na sa 8 puntos sa kalamangan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now I think this is the biggest gap we had. Simula nung ating first quarter up until now. No, kailangan bawasan niya ng UNC Greyhounds. They want to stay on the game here. Now, Ateneo. Tripulca with the ball. Heavily guarded, agad-agad dito. Mahigpit na yung depensa ng UNC Greyhounds. A minute and 30 seconds na lamang po. Meron tayo dito sa ating first half. Matiansala getting that rebound. UNC naghahabol pa rin dito. But that's an offensive foul. Lost opportunity for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Pero magandang chance din ito para sa ating Golden Knights. Na Fulgar. Diretso sa loob. Nakahanap ng butas dyan sa depensa ng UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see as we continue the second quarter. Mark Evan, no good. Tripulca with a rebound. Nagmamadali dito. Ateneo. Mark Evan, napakaliksi. Dire-diretso for that fast break here. 47-41, 30 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Now Fulgar, guarded here by Mark. That's Mark Andrew of the Valera brothers. Now Tripulca, passes now to jersey number 14, Monay. Now back to Fulgar. On the corner, mid-range jumper, no good. Long pass. Pero medyo napalakas doon. So this will be the last ball possession for our second quarter. 9 seconds remaining. Fulgar loses it. But it will stay on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 47-41 with 1 second remaining. Now, the Ateneo still on the lead of 6 points. Napakaganda ng depensa dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights, making sure that they will dominate the second quarter. Now, batiin lang din natin ang ating live viewers kay Isaac Gabriel, kay Kyla Casulia, Karen Kiascaro, and Erica de Lima. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. At patapos na nga po itong ating first half ng maksyong labanan ng Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. Now we are back on the ball game. Again, 1 second and 45 counts remaining. 47-41, 6-point lead coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now with that remaining time, let's see what will happen after the timeout na talagang tinawag ng Ateneo. Triple cut sa inbound. Pass here to jersey number 21. And that's the end of our first half. 47-41. We will be back for more action sa ating second half only here at Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
And we are back again for the third quarter of the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. Doon nga sa pagtapos po ng ating first half, itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, they really dominate the second quarter, but still the UNC Greyhounds hindi din nagpatalo. But we have here a 6-point lead. Now, as we can see, nagkakagawa na dito. Halftime analysis natin, napakaraming turnovers dun sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, but still, they gave their all. And talagang ginawa ng paraan yung mga turnovers na nagawa nila during the first half of the game. Kung kaya naman nasa kanila yung kalamangan dito sa ating first half. Now, a quick shoutout lang kay Karonan Amonge Aton, kay Josh Montmercado Bernal, Rain Reyes, at kay Luis Verdejo. Maraming salamat po. And of course, kay Melvin Machado. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Now, let's see. As we are now starting this third quarter, 47-41. Still a 6-point lead coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Arellano to inbound. Now passes here to Beltran. 15 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 27 releases. No good on that one. Now chance here for the UNC Greyhounds. Batyan Sala loses it para dito sa Greyhounds. Ngayon, nagmamadali dito ang ating Golden Knights. Jersey number 27. Now on the corner here. No good. But the whistled foul. It will be the UNC's basketball. After the first half, ano kaya yung adjustment dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds? Para malaman yan, andyan si IC to have our update. IC.
Tino, we are now on the third quarter of the game. And kanina nga, sabi ko, grabe ang gigil ng ating mga players sa side ng Greyhounds to really get this game against the Ateneo Golden Knights. During the huddle, Coach Miggy is stressing one major point to the Greyhounds. Work as a team. It's all about moving together, sharing the ball, and trusting each other's skills. The focus is clear. Work for the betterment of the team and not for yourself. Every play, every pass, and every screen has to be for the success of the team as a whole. Defensively, they've switched to a 1-2-1-1 press, putting pressure on the ball handler but reminding them that even na kahit bumaba ang opponent, it is treated like a man-to-man situation. The key here is to balance, stay close, but don't be too aggressive when denying passes so they don't pick up unnecessary fouls. It's a careful dance of pressure and patience. Let's see if the Greyhounds can keep up the discipline as the game unfolds. Balik sa'yo, Tin.
Thank you so much, IC. Ayan nga itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Mas nag-focus sa kanila dun sa kanilang team effort. Gawin yung lahat to really gain a point here at huwag mag-focus sa sarili lamang. And that's a good thing because this is a basketball. This is a team sport. Kung kaya naman itong kada players dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt is very important. They have the role para gawin yung isang bagay. And doon nga mag-focus ngayon itong ating UNC Greyhounds. So now let's see kung maia-apply natin yan dito sa ating third quarter. But on the other side, the Ateneo Golden Knights still on the lead here of 6 points. Now, what will they do now on the second half? And to hear an update, let's hear it from Veronica. Hi, Veronica! Anong balita natin dyan?
Third quarter action in its full swing, and the Ateneo Golden Knights are starting to gain momentum. Their defense has been relentless, and they've been making big plays on offense, pulling ahead of the Greyhounds. However, UNC is not giving up. Every time the Knights try to widen the gap, the Greyhounds are fighting their way back. The crowd here at the Ateneo de Naga Unibersidad de Sta is on their feet as the rivalry heats up more. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Veronica. Ayan na itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Hindi din nagpapakampante dito sa ating laro kahit sa kanila yung kalamangan. And they always make sure that every ball possession counts para dito sa kanilang kupunan. At dito nga sa ating third quarter, wala pa rin na nakakapuntos as we are now down to 6 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. Now, Arellano. First basket was good. At ito din yung ating unang basket para sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. Both teams adjusted after the first half. So now let's see paano nila yun magagawa as we continue this matchup of these two teams. Now, it will be the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Tolgan to inbound. 49-41. 8 points yung hinahabol dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now Calo. Heavily guarded here. Passes to Mark Evan. At unang puntos na rin ng UNC Greyhounds sa ating third quarter. Now they need to continue this. Work as a team. And communication is the key here, as well as consistency. Now, Fulgar getting that point. Mark Evan passes here to Taugad. Now on the inside. Inilaban dun sa loob. And the UNC Greyhounds gets that point. We really expected a fast-paced basketball here. And we're seeing here today. Now that will be a turnover para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now Mark Evan passes to Taugad. Heavily guarded here by jersey number 14. Mark Evan again with the ball. Loses it. It's steal from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Beltran passes to Tripulka. 17 seconds to shoot. Magno. No good. Ronan with that rebound. UNC ang nagkahabol pa rin dito. Pero that will be a traveling violation committed from their side. Lost opportunity again. 51-45. Now Bonay. Pasir Gar. Pero parehong team nakakommit ng traveling violation dito. They need to lessen this error as well as the turnovers. We are now down to the last 4 minutes, 52 seconds of the third quarter. Now Taugad, heavily guarded by Monay. Back on the UNC. Caronan was there to get it. Now Ateneo loses it. Chance for the UNC releases a 3. No good. Talagang intensity na yung nararamdaman natin ngayon dito sa pagkaharap ng UNC at ng Ateneo. Ateneo's basketball. Monay with the ball. Tripulka almost lost it. Still, the Ateneo here with 12 seconds to shoot. Monay pass on the corner for Magdo. Releases. But it was a foul there. Quick shout out to Zach Kirante, Ivan Dacuno, Sebastian Paglinawan, Boris Leondato, at kay Michelle Justine Antonio. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now Taugad with the ball. That's on the inside, Caronan. No good. But it was a foul. Napakabilis lang ng oras. 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. Apat na puntos ang hawak ngayon ng Ateneo. Low scoring tayo para dito sa ating third quarter. Now Monay. Ateneo's basketball. The pass is to jersey number 10 of Saldo. Domingo, no good. Taugad was there to get that ball. Caronan, diretso. Pero there will be a whistled foul and 2 free throws will be given to him. Now, a quick replay here. Caronan for his first attempt on the free throw line. That's good. (51-48). Ay baba na nga po sa tatlong kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. Monay. Taking their time here. Pass to full gap. Heavily guarded here. Good defense coming from the side of the UNC. Full guard again with the ball. No good. Defensive rebound. Well, that height advantage of full gap. Talagang minake sure niya na makukuha nila yung bola. Triple ka on the inside. Getting that layup. Pa ng Ateneo yung kanilang kalamangan dito. Caronan spins. Pass to Legaspi. Now to Mark Evan. Tries. No good. Tripulka gets that ball. Pero Mark Evan tatawagan dito ng foul. Penalty na itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Tripulka on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 5-point lead as we are about to end our third quarter. Tripulka's second free throw. That's good. Now that's a miscommunication. Lost opportunity for the side breakouts. Ateneo still dominating this quarter. Full gap. Passes to Tripulka. Pero that will be a steal. Ngayon nagmabadali na dito. Batyansala passes. That's good. Para dito kay Taugan with the assist of Batyansala. Tripulka. It's in over. Para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Plaza and Valle back on the court. 1 minute and 47 seconds remaining. UNC's basketball. 4 na puntos ang hinahabol dito. Batyansala. Tawagan pa dito ng foul si Plaza. 4 na team foul na ng ADNU Golden Knights now. Batyansala pushes back. Passes to Taugan. Moving inside. To Batyansala again. That's good. So that ball rotation. Now let's see. As the Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense now. Tries. No. Now chance here for the UNC Greyhounds to tie the game. Caronan spins. Blocked. Pero ball possession pa rin to ng UNC Greyhounds. Batyansala passes to Taugan. Calo. Taugan. Caronan going inside. A whistled foul. 52 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. Both teams are now on the penalty. Caronan on the free throw line. First free throw was good. And he needs this second free throw to tie the game. Caronan. No good on that one. Still Ateneo on the lead. Plaza. 17 seconds to shoot here. Miscommunication. Caballero passes to Batiansala, releases a quick three. No good. But it will stay on their side here. 32 seconds. Caronan back on the free throw line. (54-53). A tight matchup of the UNC and the Ateneo. No good on that first free throw of Caronan. Now he needs to make it sure para dito sa ating second free throw to tie the game by 54 all. Now let's see Caronan. Still no good. Sayang yung opportunity na yun para dito sa Greyhounds. But now let's see Esbaza. Passes on the corner. No good. Jersey number 7 will be on the free throw line here. Madritano. Seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating third quarter. No good. Madridano, second free throw. That's good. Balik sa dalawa yung kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now UNC needs to do something about this before the third quarter ends. Tie the game or get the lead here. Caronan passes to Batiansala. Step back. That's good. And with that, the UNC Greyhounds ending the third quarter with a bang after that three-pointer coming from Batiansala. Ang puntos na hawak ng UNC Greyhounds. We'll be back for the fourth and last quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV ng mga kampiyon. And we are back for the fourth and final quarter of this thrilling matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. Now, sa pagtatapos po ng ating third quarter, the UNC Greyhounds back on track after that. A lot of opportunities on their side and the three-pointer coming from Batiansala. Po yung naging kalamangan nila dito, but the Ateneo, ngayon naman, talagang unang basket para dito sa ating final quarter. Now let's see, para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds, change of game plan nga ba? Pero Calo, nagpakawala ng tres. Para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now Beltran, no good on that one. Chance here for the UNC Greyhounds. Caronan passes here to Legaspi. Now to Batyan Sala. 15 seconds on the shot clock here. Kalo again with the ball. Karunan ngayon papasok. Momentum on the side of the UNC Greyhounds as we start the fourth quarter. Pero kailangan nila dito maging consistency. Napakaganda ng communication itong mga players sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Fulgar. Passes here on the corner. Arellano to Fulgar again. Tries, no good. UNC on the run. Batyan Sala. A back-to-back points coming from the UNC Greyhounds. This is what we're waiting for. A good matchup between these two teams. Now, napalitan na yung momentum dito. Ateneo getting that lead. Or the UNC Greyhounds getting that lead. Now, let's see what will be the adjustment here of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And to hear that, let's call Veronica. Hi, Veronica. Anong balita natin dyan?
We're now in the final quarter and the intensity is through the roof. The Ateneo Golden Knights are holding, but the UNC Greyhounds are pushing. A strong push. It's been a hard-fought game between both sides with neither team backing down. The Knights defense is holding firm and their composure in these last few minutes is going to be crucial. Will they hold on for the win or can the Greyhounds stage a late game comeback? We'll find out soon. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Veronica. Yan nga, still, itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights ay pinangahawakan pa rin yung chance ditong manalo. But after that timeout, or before that timeout, the UNC Greyhounds releases a three-pointer here. Napakaganda nga nun. At talagang nag-cheer itong ating UNC community. At to hear an update all the way from their side, let's hear it from IC. Hi, IC. Update natin dyan.
The rivalry runs deep and the tension is high. We are now on the last quarter of the game and I must say that this matchup is really unpredictable. Everyone here in this gymnasium are buckling up their seats as the game are getting more intense. The Greyhounds have switched up their defense to a 1-3-1 zone, trying to clog the passing lanes and control the middle. Coach has been reminding the players, don't force the steal. It's all about playing smart defense and avoiding unnecessary fouls. When it comes naman to securing those rebounds, backs out ang lagi niyang paalala, ensuring the opponent doesn't get second chance points. Once they secure the rebound, the plan is to quickly execute the cross break para makuha agad ang transition offense. And when it comes naman to rebounding, it's not just one or two players, it's a gang rebound effort from everyone, crashing the boards to take control of the ball. Let's see if the Greyhounds can keep executing their game plan and take over the game. Stay tuned for more updates. Balik sa iyo, Tim.
Thank you so much, IC. Napakaganda ng game plan dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Very detailed. Down from the offense to defense. Talagang napakaganda nung ipinapakita nila from 1-3-1 defense. 4 players nitong ating UNC Greyhounds sa talagang lahat dapat gumalaw. As for the rebounds, kailangan din lahat ay umaksyon and to make sure that the Ateneo Golden Knights won't get the second chance point here. And that's a good game plan coming from the UNC Greyhounds. And after that timeout, a good fourth quarter here for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Still dominating this quarter. The momentum was on their team. But the only problem here ay kung meron ba consistency na mangyayari on their side. Because as we all know, the Ateneo Golden Knights will push us and get on track again. Now a 10-point lead here. Biggest gap of this matchup of the UNC and the Ateneo. But Yansala getting that too. Free throws. 57-69, 12-point lead here. Ateneo's basketball, but a steal from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Carlo getting that point. And now another timeout was called from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights na hindi na maka-focus itong ating mga fans doon sa UNC community dahil napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila dito sa ating fourth quarter. A lot of straight points here. And now, ano kaya yung gagawin itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights? After the third quarter domination, Dito sa ating fourth quarter, medyo nahirapan sila because nag-e-enjoy itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Kung kaya naman talagang they're still on the game. Just need to really relax, enjoy the game, and everything will fall into places here. And yun yung ginagawa ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Kailangan lang nila maging consistent, but now this is the Ateneo's basketball. Let's see what will happen here. Ball will stay on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. But the biggest gap of 14 points was on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, kahit yung ating team bahay dito, grabe din yung kanilang support ang ipinapakita dito sa ating dalawang koponan. Now, 57-71. Batyan Sala with the ball. Now, the UNC taking their time here. Block here by Fulgar. Steal. Ateneo naman the offense. Good combination of Fulgar and Arellano. At ngayon naman, yung UNC Greyhounds naman yung napatawag ng timeout after that score. Good comeback here for the Ateneo Golden Knights, pero may 12 points pa silang bubunuin all throughout this fourth quarter. This is a good start for them para sa unti-unting pagkuha ng puntos and getting their momentum again. After that, straight points coming from the UNC side. Now, shoutout dito kay Cheska Mall, Alecta Siguenza, Pia Biog, at kay Dylan Talagtag. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkantabay. Now, we are back on the ballgame with 6 minutes and 41 seconds remaining for our fourth quarter. 59-71, 12-point lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, this is their basketball. Carlo with the ball. Now, UNC heavily guarded here. Batyan Sala getting that ball. At nakuha pa. A passer beater coming from Batyan Sala. Now Ateneo. At ayun na. Arellano. 12 seconds to shoot here. Releases a 3, no good. Grabe na yung depensa. Pero nagkakapisikalan na dito between Monay of the Ateneo Golden Knights and Abrasaldo of the UNC Greyhounds. The referees will review that. Grabe na yung intensity ng ating nararamdaman dito, and even the players can't hide it now. Frustration on both sides. Halo-halong emosyon na po yung nararamdaman dito ng ating mga players. 59-73 on our scoreboard. Back to 14-point lead. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Now let's wait for the confirmation of our officials. But before that, we would like to thank our dearest sponsors. Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, Digital Graphics, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Skytech Advertising, Duty Free Philippines, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, BMEG Alagang number 1, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, Naga Travel and Tours, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, Lamon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, Naga College Foundation, Gloffa Construction, at KV Sportswear and Apparel. Now, the officials still reviewing that last sequence between the two players of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see on that quick replay on what really happened between these two teams. Now jersey number 10, Abrasaldo, out of the playing court here for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now it's the Ateneo's basketball. Still have a chance here para humabol sa 13 points na hawak ng UNC Greyhounds. Now Bucal with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Passes now. Pisikalan kung pisikalan na dito sa ating UNC and Ateneo. Abrasaldo will be on the free throw line. Now let's see, Abrasaldo first free throw, no good. Now, kahit yung mga free throws dito kailangan makuha ng Ateneo. It's very important now with this intense game. Abrasaldo second free throw, that's good. Now for his third time, he needs to shoot this. 61-73 on our scoreboard. Good. Now 11 points na lamang hinahabol dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Calo. UNC taking their time here. Calo heavily guarded. Seconds to shoot on the side of the Greyhounds. Now quick shout out to John Carlo Mamonong, Brian Lipa, Nicole Andre Oliva at James Alvario. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. But a whistled foul there. 5 minutes and 16 seconds remaining on our time clock. Now Batiensala on the free throw line again. Batiensala first free throw. No good on that one. Second free throw. That's good. Now for this third free throw of Batiensala to make it a 30-point lead. No good. Aureliano gets that rebound. Ateneo on the offense now. We're halfway through this final quarter. Passes here on the corner, drives for three, that's good! Bumawi agad itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights and they need that. They need to continue doing that. As we're halfway through, and a steal coming from Plaza. Layup, that's good! And with that, the UNC Greyhounds calls for a timeout after that 5 straight points of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now we are now down to 7-point lead of the UNC Greyhounds. They really pull up itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Hindi nila hinayaan na mas lumaki pa yung kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see after this timeout what will happen. Dahil itong Ateneo nga talagang gustong-gusto nilang makuha ngayon yung panalo as well as the UNC Greyhounds. Both teams are really determined para makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito. 65-74 or 67-74 on our scoreboard. Now, 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. The UNC and the Ateneo community cheering for the last minutes of this matchup. Now Calo passes here to Coronan. 9 seconds to shoot. Tries, no good. But the ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Seconds on the shot clock here. Bigaspi passes to Tolgan. Tolgan. Bucal, no good. Now the Ateneo on the offense. Naghahabol dito. But let's see. Arellano passes to Fulgar. But a whistle foul there. As we're now done on the last 4 minutes and 1 second of this fourth quarter. With this last minute, ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng ating dalawang kupunan? As for the UNC Greyhounds na ngayon ay huminto na yung kanilang pagpuntos, what will be the adjustment at this moment? And to have a quick report, let's hear it from IC. Hi IC, anong update natin dyan?
Bicalandia, it's your very demure and very cutesy courtside reporter, ID Cortez, bringing you a quick update from the game. With the score closing in, the Greyhounds are ramping up their intensity, utilizing the dribble drive effectively to break down the defense and create scoring opportunities. Watch out for the key players, Nico, Andre, and Adrian, as they are set to make a significant impact in this crucial phase of the game. Their skills and determination are vital to turning the tide in the favor of the Greyhounds. Let's see if they can capitalize on this momentum and pull ahead. Stay tuned for more updates. Balik sa iyo, Tin.
Thank you so much, IC. Ayan nga itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Yung kanilang mga players, merong mga kailangang gawin dito para makuha pa rin or ma-maintain yung kalamangan na meron sila ngayon dito. Because as we can see, the Ateneo Golden Knights talaga namang lumalaban. And after that last sequence, Fulgar cutting that basket with a foul and a chance for a three-point play here. And to hear a quick update from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from Veronica. Veronica, anong balita natin dyan?
The Knights are mounting a late-game comeback, but the Greyhounds are staying composed under pressure. Crucial defense stops and big plays on offense have kept them ahead so far. The tension is palpable as we enter the closing minutes. Can the Golden Knights hold on to claim another Naga El Clasico victory, or will UNC pull off a last-minute upset? We're about to find out. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Veronica. Yan nga, handang-handa pa rin itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights to get this point. And now, 4 na lamang po ang hinahabol dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights with the last 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. But yung Sala, no good. Now a chance and opportunity for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights to lessen the gap on the UNC Greyhounds. Now, they are on the momentum. Fulcar releases a 3, no good. Lost opportunity for their side. Pero still, buhay na buhay pa rin po ang laban nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. So for the defensive side, kailangan pa rin nila ng magandang depensa dito. Now, let's see as the UNC Greyhounds on the offense. Taugan releases a 3, no good. Parehong kupunan dito talagang lumalaban. Talagang pinapanatili yung composure on both sides. But let's see. As the time ticking so fast here. Plaza. 16 seconds to shoot here for the Ateneo. Fulgar passes. Jersey number 10. Back to Fulgar. That's a big three coming from Fulgar. And with that, UNC Greyhounds calls for a timeout after that big 3 points of Fulgar. 73-74. The Ateneo community celebrating that. Dahil isa na lamang po ang hinahabol nila dito. Now a quick replay on that last sequence. A beautiful three-pointer coming from Fulgar. Talagang sinigurado niya yung trust na yon. And yung kaninang 14 points na napakalaking kalamangan dito sa ating matchup naibaba na lamang po sa isang puntos. Now, what will be the adjustment on the side of the UNC Greyhounds? Because talagang nahabol pa nung Ateneo Golden Knights yung napakalaki nilang kalamangan. And now, let's see. As the last minutes of this matchup is now approaching, both community feel the tension and also the players. Halo-halong emosyon, excitement, pressure, frustration. But still, the game is on for this both teams. Now let's see. Karunan. This is a very crucial ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Mark Evans spins. Lose the ball. Steal from the side of the Ateneo. Arellano lays up. No good. And the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Nakatayo na yung Ateneo side. One minute and 53 seconds remaining here. Now a steal. Arellano pushes in. No good. Tolgan without rebound. Now they need to calm down here. Mark Evan, dire-diretso. No good. Ateneo now with Fulgar. Now taking their time here. 17 seconds to shoot. Plaza with the ball. Passes to Arellano. 10 seconds on the shot clock here. Passes to Beltran. Beltran. No good. Batian Sala now. Pero stepping on the line. Ang dami ng turnover dito. Talagang full of excitement and intensity. With that, the timeout was called from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Still a 73-74. The UNC Greyhounds now on the penalty. A minute and 15 seconds remaining. Very crucial last minute of this matchup. Grabe yung pinakitang comeback ng Ateneo Golden Knights dito sa ating huling mga minuto ng ating fourth quarter. But on the other side, the UNC Greyhounds, mukhang nahinto yung tuloy-tuloy nilang momentum dito. And they need to come back on that part. Dahil ngayon nga, itong Ateneo Golden Knights, merong chance ang makuha muli yung panalo against the UNC Greyhounds. And of course, kahit yung ating mga live viewers dito, talagang tuwang-tuwa para dito sa ating laban ng UNC and Ateneo. Shoutout kay Paul Jake, Kyla Casulia, John Kurt Nacedo, Lizal Inigo, John Christian Espanto, Darwin Evangelio Mangulat, Mercy Binyas, Manzanido, Ray Santina Estefani, Michael Anthony Vargas at kay Daniel Aguilar na grabe din po yung pinapakitang supporters ng ating live viewers dito sa ating Oragon Sports TV and Bucal Facebook page para dito sa ating Ateneo and UNC Naga Classical matchup. Kung sa PBA merong Barangay Ginebra at Magnolia Hotshot, dito Dito naman sa ating Naga Classico, it's the Ateneo versus UNC. Now, it's the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 14 seconds to shoot here. Arellano, pass to Fulgar. Taking their time here. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Arellano, muntika na, but then is still from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now they need to make a point out of this ball possession. 57 seconds remaining. Matienzala. Down to 10 seconds. Passes to Legaspi. Legaspi for 3. No good. Ateneo secured that ball. 42 seconds remaining. Arellano. Grabe na yung ating nararamdaman ngayong hapon na ito. Isang puntos lamang po ang kalamangan ng Ateneo. Arellano pushes in. No good. Now UNC still on the game here. 23 seconds remaining. Kailangan na nilang makakuha ng puntos dito. Mark Evan. 14 seconds to shoot. It was a foul. UNC on the penalty. Shoutout dito kay Jay Soriano, Peter Ezekiel, John Harold Cabañas na nagpapashoutout dito kay Ramil Salcedo, Bertie James, Justin Garcia Sorero, at kay Karen K. Escaro. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now this is the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Last 14 seconds of the game. Very crucial for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Matienzala passes to Mark Evan. Now Mark Evan, a point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds, heavily guarded by Monay. Still, it's the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds with the last 5 seconds of the game. Now what will happen with the remaining 5 seconds of the game and a point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds? Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari dito. Very crucial. Mark Evan needs to make sure that his free throws will go in. First free throw was in. Dahil dyan, 2 puntos ang meron na ngayon ang UNC Greyhounds. Mark Evan making it a 3-point lead. Now with that 5 seconds, what will the Ateneo Golden Knights? Well, we have in overtime. After this last ball possession, let's see. Plaza, 4 seconds on the clock. Passes to Monay. Monay releases a 3. No good. And with that, the UNC Greyhounds will go home with a good fight against the Ateneo Golden Knights. What a good matchup we've seen this afternoon. Still, congratulations to Ateneo Golden Knights for giving us a good fight. And congratulations also to UNC Greyhounds for taking home the win against this Naga Classico. The Ateneo Golden Knights. And sa ating pagbabalik, makikilala na po natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
number 1. Hola Bicolania, it's your very demure and very cutie courtside reporter, Izzy Cortez, and I couldn't be more excited to highlight today's true standout, our best player of the game. The best player of the game is brought to you by Tigers Café, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. In a game full of high-stakes action and nail-biting moments, jersey number 81, Adrian Bachancela, with 23 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block, gave us an excellent game. So, thank you very much. Good afternoon and congratulations. So, I have some few questions kayo. Paano mo in-adjust ang iyong position based sa strategy ng kalaban?
Yun nga, lagi sa amin sinasabi ni coach na lagi lang daw dapat ready kami sa pwedeng maging position namin every game. Dahil may mga team na maliliit, then ginagawa nila akong masyadong parang wingman, and pag ganun masyadong malalaki, ginagawa niya naman akong guard naman po.
Okay, so when it comes to dynamic of the team, paano mo naman kino-communicate yung mga team mo sa mga plano mo para masigurado na maayos ang teamwork lalo na sa mga high pressuring moments?
Every dead position, ginagawa namin na nag-huddle kami, and kinuha ko yung attention nila para para magawa namin yung mga dapat gawin sa loob ng court, and yung mga pinapagawa ni Coach Miggy.
So, thank you. So, lastly, is there anyone you'd like to thank or yung mga gusto mong i-shout out?
Thank you UNC community for laging pag-support sa amin. And shout out sa family ko dyan sa Pulangi, mama, and sa Downers, and shout out sa jowa ko.
Okay, thank you so much. And once again, congratulations. There you have it, everyone. This has been your cutesy courtside reporter, Izzy Cortez, all the way from the bench of the University of Nueva Cáceres, here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 81, Adrian Bachancela, with 23 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. A great game between the Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. Napakagandang laban po, pero in the end, the UNC Greyhounds get that win. At mamaya po for our last game, it will be the Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the USI Falcons. At makakasama niyo pa rin po ako. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.